Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace boot struts on an Audi A3. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a small pry tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement boot struts for your specific Audi A3 model. Always work in a safe, well-lit environment, ensuring the boot is securely open and supported before you begin. This preparation will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old struts. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the small retaining clips at both ends of the strut. Once the clips are removed, gently detach the strut from its mounting points on both the boot lid and the car body. It's really important to have a friend or a prop to securely hold the boot lid open during this step, preventing it from unexpectedly falling. Installing the new struts is straightforward. First, align one end of the new strut with its mounting point on the car body. Push it firmly onto the ball joint until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Repeat this process for the other end of the strut on the boot lid. Finally, reattach the retaining clips to ensure everything is locked down. This simple action prevents any accidental disconnections. After installation, carefully test the boot's operation. Open and close it several times to ensure it moves smoothly and without any resistance or unusual noises. This confirms your new struts are working correctly. Remember, proper maintenance extends the life of your vehicle components. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.